We knew from the beginning that this partnership would be transformative for our innovation ecosystem. The Arizona Commerce Authority is Arizona's statewide economic development organization with a mission to strengthen Arizona's economy. At the ACA, we fulfill our mission through attraction, expansion, and creation. We attract out-of-state companies to establish operations in Arizona. We help existing Arizona companies expand in our state, and we help entrepreneurs create new businesses throughout Arizona. The ACA first began conversations with Plug and Play several years ago. In 2023, we officially launched our partnership, Plug and Play Accelerate AZ.
It was really a 2-year project in the making, working very, very closely with the Arizona Commerce Authority because little chip companies like Intel, TSMC, NXP over there in the back are investing billions and billions of dollars in really nearshoring and bringing back silicon and semiconductor manufacturing to the US, and we have the pleasure of being part of that.
Following the launch, we started working together to advance our innovation ecosystem. The goal is to accelerate and support the growth of Arizona startups through our programs, events, and more. With Plug and Play's global network and expertise, we have identified key sectors in Arizona to support startups in those industries. Specifically, we launched 2 accelerators, the first in advanced manufacturing, followed by our most recent in sustainability. Since 2023, Plug and Play Accelerate AZ has advanced 65 Arizona startups through our manufacturing and sustainability programs. As an example of how the ACA and Plug and Play work together, in September we announced that Terraline, an electric truck startup, selected Arizona for its new engineering headquarters. Our conversations with Terraline began over 2 years ago as we were building our partnership with Plug and Play, and we've been working closely with that company ever since. Arizona is a premier destination for emerging technologies. Our entrepreneurial environment encourages innovation and supports startups at every stage. We're seeing incredible activity from various manufacturing sectors, including semiconductor, battery, aerospace and defense, bioscience, automotive, renewable energy, and more. We're very excited for what's next for the partnership between the ACA and Plug and Play. We look forward to launching new programs that continue to accelerate startups and elevate Arizona's entrepreneurial vitality.